match currently underway here in Arena Zagreb. And there's a throw attempt early by Baishikayev, but defended and called for the slip throw. And Ding going to be called for passivity, and that means Baishikayev gets choice. He's going to put Ding down in parterre position.
O'zko'z sayma menen. Internetning ылдамдыгы секундасына 300, ал тургай 500 мегабитке чейин. Күчтүү деп ушуну айтсак болот. Үйдөгү телекөрсөтүү бардык манайга ылайыктуу 220дан ашуун телеканал.
Нифига себе!
5 онлайн кинотеатр. Тасмаларды, сериалдар менен мультфильмдерди көрөбүз. Wi-Fi роутерди акысыз алабыз. Айына болгону 1080 сомдон баштап. Кошууга жетишебиз. Сайма күйгүзөбүз.
And Baishikayev going to get an opportunity to work on top. We'll see if he can take advantage of this one. And false start there from Ding. So Baishikayev looking to reset. And Ding turns in and stands straight up to his feet. So good defense there from Ding. Times Baishikayev's. Looked like Baishikayev was going for a reverse lift. Ding used that opening and found his way to his feet. Baishikayev now works his way to an underhook. They go out of bounds, but no points. Oh, 1 point on the board for Ding. Point late showing up on the scoreboard, so Ding gets a point, but Baishikayev off the passivity call leads on criteria. And now Baishikayev works his way to a Ding, able to clear out, and that's going to wind the period down. Baishikayev in the lead 2-1 halfway through this round of 16 bout. Underway now, second period. Baishikayev pressuring forward. Has Ding once again in the zone, kind of right where he left off at the end of the first. And official says, hey, both you guys head up. Stop burying your head here. And Baishikayev works his way once again to the left side underhook. Ding needs to be careful. He's going to get called for passivity here. Continuing to bury his head, and step out going to be the call. White paddled, but point goes on the board regardless. And another passivity call against Dang, so Baishikayev getting to work on top for the second time this match. Baishikayev looking for a lift and now brings it down to the mat. But looks like Ding gonna be able to defend. Under 90 to go now. Wind down, it's going to be Baishikayev moving on to the quarters here at 67 kilograms.
Per l'iscrizione alla prestamento questa Rasa Pescatore.